Hello and welcome to another video on ChatGPT. Today we're going to be discussing how you can use the tool ChatGPT to make money out of. Before we start, let's understand what ChatGPT, for the sake of those of you who are new to ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful artificial intelligence tool designed to understand human inputs and generates human-like text based on a given prompt. It has been trained on a massive amount of data and can generate responses. Now, how can we use ChatGPT to make money? There are different ways to use the system, this powerful tool, to make income. But here are some effective ways to make money using ChatGPT. The very first one we're going to be talking about is to start your own blog. You can use ChatGPT to write blog content for your website, and because this powerful tool generates high quality content, writing a blog post using this tool is going to be very easy. Now, starting a blogging website is not complicated. I have dedicated videos on my channel showing you how to start a blogging website, so that will not be a problem. After you build your site, you need content, right? Now, let me show you how you can generate content using this powerful artificial tool called ChatGPT. Alright, right now I'm going to show you a live demonstration on how to use the tool ChatGPT to write blog content for your blogging website. Before we start, you need to create an account with ChatGPT. Okay, so go ahead and create an account with ChatGPT and then follow my step-by-step guide on how to write a blog post or an article using the tool. So all you need to ask ChatGPT is tell ChatGPT to generate an interesting and plagiarism-free article on how to make money with ChatGPT. Okay, so tell ChatGPT to generate interesting and plagiarism-free article on how to make money with ChatGPT. When you add plagiarism-free, at least it will minimize its plagiarism problem, because I generated a ton of articles with this system and I realized most of them are having issues with plagiarism. Okay, so we're going to, after we generate this article, we will use Grammarly. We'll use Grammarly plagiarism checker from Grammarly to check if this article is free from plagiarism. So chat with this bot and then see if we'll be able to get an interesting article. And right now ChatGPT is writing out a blog post for us to use on our blog, our blogging website, which is also plagiarism free. So I don't know how true this is, so we have to wait for it to write this article, and then we'll use a tool called plagiarism checker from Grammarly to see if this article is actually free from plagiarism. Now all we need to do is to copy this article, and of course you need to add your own voice to it. So just copy this article and then we go to Google and then we type plagiarism free or plagiarism checker. Please scroll down and then click on Grammarly plagiarism checker, which is here. And then please let's paste our article inside here to see if this article is free from plagiarism. Next, we need to click on scan for plagiarism and then wait. If this article has plagiarism issues, Grammarly will tell us, hey, your article has significant plagiarism problems. And then based on that, we'll be able to remove our plagiarism from our article. And you can see there's what? Significant plagiarism found. Don't worry, we can fix this. Open another tab, and then we need to type Quillbot. Okay, this is a plagiarism checker. We're going to rephrase our article. After the site is loaded, go ahead and paste the text inside here. So you click on paste text, and then this tool can only take 125 words at a time. If you want to do everything at once, you need to upgrade. So we need to reduce text here like this, and then click on paraphrase. After that, click on copy. Go ahead and check if this text is free from plagiarism. So we copy it and paste it here. So we paste it inside here, and then click on scan for plagiarism. And as you can see, there's no plagiarism found on your text. So you are free to use that text on your blogging website. That's how you overcome plagiarism issues. Should in case ChatGPT generates text that contains content from other websites, meaning you are stealing, or you are technically stealing other people's content with assistance from this tool, which is not allowed. So you can use a tool like Quillbot to overcome that plagiarism issues. All right. The next use case is using it to generate sales copies. This is what we call copywriting. Writing sales copies for products is another way to make money using ChatGPT. Sales copies are very important in marketing. It is a persuasive way of writing about a product and then making a sale. Sales copies are found on landing pages, product description, and a lot more. In this part of the video, we're going to learn how to write sales copy, or how to even write product description for our products on Amazon or other marketplaces. So all we need to do is to go to Amazon, and then this is a product I want to use to show you as an example. Now when I scroll down, you can see this product has a description. This way of writing is called copywriting. It's a persuasive way of writing. That way customers will purchase this product without asking questions. So this is what we call sales copy. Okay, we have sales copy on landing pages, home pages of websites, or even on the description of every product, just like this. let's go ahead and see how ChatGPT will write the product description of this exact item. So we'll simply copy the title of this item and then go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a product description for that item. So tell ChatGPT to write a what? Product description for and then we hit enter. ChatGPT will go ahead and write a good description about this product for us to use on our shopping websites. Right now, ChatGPT is writing everything about this product and is able to tell us details about this product, and we can use this exact text on our product descriptions, okay, as our product descriptions. You can start a gig or sell this as a service to website owners, e-commerce websites owners. Okay, so that is it. That's how you write a product description. You can also tell it to write a sales letter or sales copy. Another way to make money with the tool ChatGPT is to write an ebook. ChatGPT is very intelligent when it comes to writing books, writing scripts. Okay, you can tell the tool or instruct it to generate content for you to put in your books as content. You can write a book using the system in a simple way. It's a matter of telling it what to write. Your ebook can be written in less than 5 minutes, and you can sell this book to an audience or on a bookstore like Kindle. Have you heard of Amazon Kindle books? You can use ChatGPT to write ebooks and then sell them on Amazon Kindle. Okay, here are tons of books people are selling on Amazon. Go ahead and use the tool to write your own books, amazing books with ChatGPT, and then publish them on Amazon front store. Another effective way to use this tool to generate income is to write scripts, video scripts for YouTube or podcast. You can start a YouTube channel and then generate scripts for your content. How many of you noticed the intro of this video was from ChatGPT? I asked ChatGPT to generate content for me on how to use ChatGPT to make money, and it gave me interesting script for me to present to you as intro. One of the easiest way to generate income with the help of this tool is to start selling your services on freelancing marketplaces. You can start an SEO business, either an agency, or sell your services as a gig on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Hoodly.com, and the like. This is Fiverr. People on Fiverr making a living doing what I'm about to show you. So let's go to the search bar and type sales letter or sales copy. Okay, so type sales copy and then hit on sales copy or sales page copywriter or sales email copywriting. Okay, and then we scroll down and see this is a gig. I will copyright sales, marketing, and welcome emails. Do you know that ChatGPT can write welcome emails? Ask it and see if it will be able to write it for you. ChatGPT is capable of doing this kind of tasks. Okay, so you can tell ChatGPT to write welcome emails, sales copies, sales letters for you to sell to your clients on a website like Fiverr, Hoodly, or Upwork. Okay. Another thing is just type products description, hit enter, and you can start a gig on Fiverr. People are on Fiverr writing product descriptions. I will write SEO product description for your product, and you can see this is getting a lot of sales. I write powerful product description for your brand. So this product description, ChatGPT is capable of doing it, and people are here charging up to $55 to write a catchy product description for their products. Go ahead and start a gig on Fiverr and then sell this as a service. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. I hope it was informative. If you think you like the video, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, because on this channel I help people build websites using content management systems like WordPress. I recently released my HTML tutorial for beginners. If you want to know how the whole web design process looked like, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That way, anytime I release my CSS tutorials, which I'm about to record, after I release, you are notified. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. I will see you on my next video. Take care.